The AP Chemistry class has spent the last 2 or 3 weeks practicing all of these demos.
So I've got part of the gummy bear here, taken right out of its stomach. So we'll be using that, and I'll be placing it into this test tube with potassium chlorate, and you'll get to see what happens.
As you saw, the pickle lit up yellow. This is because when the electricity enters the pickles, it's exciting the electrons in the sodium ion. And when the electrons are excited, they go up to a higher energy level. And when they fall back down, they emit a light. And in this case, the light is yellow.
This time we're going to show a bunch of different elements because each element has unique different colors that it emits, different wavelengths. And those then combine for what we're going to do with the flame test theory and create one color. So it'll be pretty cool.
CO2 reacts with water to create carbonic acid, which in turn creates H+ ions. So then it'll turn it another color based off the indicator.
The difference between blue bubbles and normal bubbles is that blue bubbles have carbon dioxide in it, so it goes down instead of going up because carbon dioxide is denser than atmospheric air.
Long story short, I'm going to light my hands on fire. I don't get burnt because I first lather my hands and arms with water. So water has a very high specific heat, which means it can absorb a lot of thermal energy before it evaporates.
Today I will be exploding 3 balloons, and the first one is this green one, and it's filled with simply oxygen gas.
Lights can stay on for this one.
The oxygen itself is not flammable, but when added to a flammable gas, or when there is a flammable gas such as hydrogen in this yellow balloon, more happens. Now the last balloon is this red one, the most loud and explosive, and it is a 2-to-1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen. So hydrogen's a flammable gas, and oxygen helps combust gases and other things. So please cover your ears. This one will be really loud.
First pumpkin in my scenario is just hydrogen, and because it's just hydrogen, it won't create as big of a reaction or explosion as a hydrogen and oxygen.
Now, the difference in densities between these two gases means we can have some fun with them.
Woo! Woohoo!
Because nitrogen is a liquid at negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are at about 70. So when it leaves this, when it leaves this metal container, it immediately evaporates into a gas. So when we fill this up with that liquid, the pressure will start to build up when we put the lid on, and then when we put it in warm water, due to the direct relationship between temperature and pressure, the pressure in the bottle will go up and hopefully make a kaboom.